Hello, and welcome to Product Critique. Today, we have an exciting product to showcase: the Angel Bliss Baby Bassinet Bedside Crib with Storage Basket and Wheels. If you're a parent or soon-to-be parent, this might just be the best bassinet with wheels available in the market. We'll dive into all the details you need to know about this fantastic product. The Angel Bliss Baby Bassinet is designed with both safety and convenience in mind. It's made with a thick aviation aluminum frame, ensuring it's not only lightweight but also safe and solid. It meets ASTM F2906 safety standards in the US, prioritizing your baby's safety above all else. The crib features all-around air mesh, providing your baby with a cool and comfortable resting space. The breathable mesh helps prevent the risk of suffocation if your baby turns around, while also allowing you to easily check on your little one. One of the standout features of this bassinet is its adjustable height. With 6 different height positions ranging from 12.7 to 19.5 inches, it can be customized to fit most standard US beds and sofas. Plus, you can set it to incline mode to help prevent reflux and make feeding more comfortable. This versatile bassinet serves 2 modes. It can be used as a standalone bassinet or as a bedside sleeper. You can easily secure it to your bed using the attached securing straps, and it requires no tools for assembly. With 4 safety-rated brake wheels, you can effortlessly move the bassinet around your home, ensuring your baby is always close by. The Angel Bliss Bassinet is designed with user-friendliness in mind. It can be assembled and disassembled in just 3 minutes without the need for any tools. Additionally, there's a large storage basket under the crib, providing easy access to all your baby essentials within arm's reach. This bassinet is suitable for newborns and infants up to a maximum weight recommendation of 20 pounds, making it ideal for babies aged 0 to 6 months. In summary, the Angel Bliss Baby Bassinet Bedside Crib with Storage Basket and Wheels is a fantastic choice for parents looking for a safe, comfortable, and convenient sleeping solution for their newborns. Its adjustable height, breathable mesh design, and versatile modes make it a standout product. If you're in the market for the best bassinet with wheels, this Angel Bliss Bassinet should be at the top of your list. Don't compromise on your baby's safety and comfort. Invest in a product that truly cares for your little one's needs. Thank you for joining us today on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth product reviews and recommendations. If you have any questions or would like to share your thoughts on this bassinet, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you.